Good morning, and what a lovely morning it is today. So we are on west coast of New Zealand, looking the tide is, I was commenting, the tide is out so far today, so the only way out to sea is through this way. Yeah, so all set up on the kayak, and we are going to target kingfish. It might be, it's a bit early in the season, but we're targeting kingfish and snapper. And I'm sure we'll get some carwai as well. Boat just coming up as well. It's such a lovely day though, wow. Magical. We've actually got to take it a bit easy because last time I was out putting the kayak on the car, quite a heavy kayak this one, and then removing it from the car once I got home, and I injured my elbow, my forearm, so it's been about 2 weeks. Okay, so 28 metres now. The lure's out the back. Nice, very nice. And the elbow's holding up alright. Painkillers this morning. Yeah, so we're going to go. At the moment we're trawling with lures, and then we are going to go soft baiting. So we're going to have soft baits. Oh, we're going to mix it up a bit today anyway. At the moment, as it's first light, we are trawling. So at the moment we are trawling for kingfish, and we're at 37 metres. What's the name of that rock over there? Huh? Wairaka rock. Wairaka.
It's like a marine reserve, so you can't, go on here, you can't spearfish,
Yeah.
you can't midfish.
No.
All you can do is
Lionfish.
Yeah. One of the greatest protected fisheries. This in Capri Island.
Yeah.
You know, New Zealand's got some fantastic reserves there.
Yeah.
Are lucky to have such abundant sort of fish stocks. You know?
Yeah.
We will not leave there today without food.
So this is where we're going over. We're going over there because that's where the birds are. That's where the fish are. Whee! We've literally been like trawling for 1 hour. It's not a major amount of time for trawl, but you know it is when you're in a kayak. And we are heading in that direction where the birds are. Where the birds are. Let's go get those birds. Literally, they're right underneath me now. Just pull the lure through that. Come on. So that's the only thing, can't you? On the fish finder. Might have to anchor up. Well, a whole load of nothingness for a little bit. I didn't have the camera rolling. It was just about let's get that first fish up, eh, Mark? Yeah. So yeah, we got the carwai. Nice bit of carwai. Nice bit of carwai.
Come on, man, this is so annoying.
Oh, I might actually have something on. Oh, It's unusual fish. Really unusual. I wonder what it could be. Oh jeez. Great big, oh, great big shark, man. Carpet shark. Great big one, man. Yeah. It's quite a big one as well. Quite a good size. Aren't you, mate? Yeah, anyway, let's get this one unhooked. Yeah, very big. Oh, it's come off. It could have been a shark as well, though. It wasn't like a kingy or anything like that, but it was big. It bent the kayak right over. Oh, so we're in again here. Like this one, I got blue cod. Hey! It really is nice. But for you, your lucky day. See ya. So I caught another one of these carpet sharks. Oosh. It's not a bad size one. Carpet shark. Right, let's put down some fresh bait. Beautiful fresh bait. Let's pop that down. And we'll see what we can get. So we're doing snapper rigs, just snapper rigs. Nice bit of fresh carwai. Nice bit of fresh carwai. We were out there like 30 meters and it was just like the current was ridiculous. The lines were just going away from us and you can't fish like that. Even with like 8 ounces down and it's ridiculous. Right, a bit of fresh carwai and gonna get into it. You know it makes sense. Oh, you have it, mate? Yeah, it was having a nice little, right, so. Yeah, mate. Nice. Oh, yeah. Could be a snapper, mate. It's got the head stakes. Yeah, snapper. Good size snapper as well. Yeah. You always want to watch out for the teeth on a snapper. But that's a nice snapper. Really nice snapper. Lovely specimen. A lovely specimen. So that'll be about, what, 40 odd centimetres, something like that. Yeah, real nice. Oh man, what have I got? Doesn't feel right. Ah, it's another one of those carpet sharks. Got another carpet shark, Mark. I think I got another carpet shark again, mate. Yeah, it's just dead weight when it's like that. Yeah. Carpet. Alright, mate. Yeah, but it might be another carpet shark again. Oh yeah, mate. There you are. Far out, man. How many of these things? Looks like that's on the water today. But pretty good. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. The good news is the elbow held out. That's good. Now it's got to almost surf our way in. These reefs that come up have already tried to, like, twice. It's nearly thrown me today. Twice. Okay, mate. Oh, hi, we're back. Hey, terra ma. Wow. And that's us at Family Kitchen with Mark. My goodness, what a good day. So, such a lovely day. Summer is definitely on the way in New Zealand. It's coming. And that's like the bay. You can actually walk down to the bay. Puka Bay, that is. This is Puka Bay. Okay, till next time. Till next time. So I hope you enjoy the fishing adventures with Mark. And I'll see you next video. Ciao, ciao.